Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of this video. So let's get down to our topic. And to begin with, open WhatsApp on your device. After that, go to the settings section. Next, go to chats. Now go to backup chats. And here at the very bottom, you will find a section called End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Now, in order to turn it off, you will just need to click here Turn Off. But in the next step, you may be asked to enter your password or your encryption key. If you don't remember your password or you don't remember your encryption key, then you can click here. I forgot the encryption key, for example, and after that it is also easy to disable everything. So I have entered the password, then I click Next. And now click Delete. Done! And now, as you can see, if I go here now, you can see that the end-to-end encryption is removed. And now I have everything unlocked and unencrypted. Friends, this is the simple way you can drown end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp app. I hope this video helps you. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put likes, write comments, and see you soon.